So I finally found a platform, an AI platform that allows you to use Sedance 2.0 all in one platform. And you can use as many AI models as you want, like Grok AI, Grok Imagine, Grok 2.0. And the most interesting part of this particular platform is that you do not need different accounts to manage this particular platform or to log onto it, and it is totally free. You all know that this time around some AI companies have actually monetized their models and the tools that you can actually use to create AI content. So, but this particular one is actually free. You stand a chance of getting free credits every day to be able to create AI content, anything that you can actually imagine using Seedance 2.0 all in one platform. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it, on how to register in this particular video. So sit well and watch the video from the beginning to the end. Make sure you do not skip any part of this video because all parts of this video is very important, and if you miss any part you're going to miss something very important. So do not skip, okay? So make sure you watch it from the beginning to the end. And also, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe. So let us get into the video. Let me show you step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually do this thing. See this particular video that I created with it, there is no error on it, everything is syncing together and it is just flawless. So this is how you're going to create your own, any kind of character you want. It gives you consistent character, anything that you actually imagine, you can actually get it using this particular AI platform. Okay, so let's get into the video. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser and type Sora Watermark Remover. You can use your phone to actually do this. You can also use your system, your laptop to do this. So this particular platform offers you free removal of AI watermark. So you can also do this here. So once you do that, you click on this icon there. So once you click on the icon there, you will see a lot of things that you can actually do with this particular platform. So we are going to click on this particular tool because we are just trying to create a video. So you're going to create tap on create AI video on Sedance 2.0. So once you're done with that, you're going to click on start for free. So we're going to start creating at this particular moment, but you have to log in or register if you've not done that. So once you do that, you go over to your ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you an image of anything that you actually want to do. Okay, so you can also use your own image if you want to, but this time around I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me an image. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT just give me the image of a banker, probably someone that has Nigerian features. Okay, so once I type in there, or you can also use your own image depending on what you want, or if you've actually generated an image over another place, you can also do that. So ChatGPT has given me an image of a Nigerian banker, but I do not want a male, I want a female figure. Okay, so I had to go back and recreated it. So I told ChatGPT to give me an image of a female Nigerian banker. So this is it, this is the final result. So this is the image I'm going to be working with. So I went back to this particular platform again and tapped on create content. So I'm going to give it a prompt. So this is the prompt I'm going to be using. So if you want to copy my own prompt, you can tell me in the comment section. So this is the prompt that I'm going to be using. So once I did that, I'm going to click on reference image. So I will import my photo, go to my photo library and import that particular photo that I actually created before. So this is the photo, it's actually imported. I'm going to select the aspect ratio that I want. So I'm going to select 16:16:9, which is YouTube standard. So I'm going to click on the duration that I actually want this video to play. Okay, so select the video quality, which is 720p. Okay, then this is the next thing that I'm going to do. So you're going to click on generate video. Okay, you can also try 365 days unlimited Sedance too. So when I clicked on this, it actually gave me a lot of plans for me to subscribe, but do not worry, you're not going to subscribe, you're not going to pay for it. So we are going to head back there. Okay, we're going to head back there and just use the free credits that we are actually giving. Okay, so I'm going to head back. This is what I'm going to do to be able to get the free credit. So when we get back, we tap on try 365 days unlimited Sedance too. So once you click that, it's going to give you 5 new credits. Okay, this particular credit is what we are going to use to create now. So when we return back, Okay, because I actually started afresh. So I'm going to go back to my photo library and tap on the photo again. So once I tap on the photo, I'll select aspect ratio again. Then once I select that aspect ratio, the image is actually loading. So once it's done loading, the next thing that we are going to do at this point, okay, look at the image here. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is to select the duration. So let me tell you one thing: the higher the duration you select, the higher credits that you're going to burn. So for us to save our credits for the next time, we're going to reduce the duration. Okay, so go to the quality, select 720p. This is actually going to also contribute to the number of credit that you're going to use. So this is actually showing me generates with 6 credits. So I'm going to return back because I'm working with 5 credits at this point. So I'm going to return back there and reduce the seconds or the duration that actually added. So once I'm done doing that, I've reduced it. I'm going to reduce it now. Okay, so I reduced it. So it came down to 5 credits. Okay. So once it's done, it's going to generate. So see the generated video. I'm going to play it now for you. So this
If
is
you've been
it.
looking if you've been looking for a free AI tool that creates amazing videos with Sedance 2.0 quality, you need to see this.
This is the end of this video. I believe that you actually understand what I said in this video. So if you do not understand any part of it, please drop a comment in the comment section or your questions and I'll be there to answer you. There are so many lots of AI platforms that offers free credit and you can also use them to generate talks like this. So I'll be doing subsequent videos to actually teach you or show you different platforms that you can use to create AI generated content without any money. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Good luck.